And this is my room. It's room number 4044, which is on the fourth floor of the ship, fourth deck. So this is an ocean view room, as they call it, because there is an outside view, as you can see. There's a giant window there, but there is not a balcony. So there's no outside space in the room, but there is an outside view. Hence the name of the cabin, or the type of cabin. So we have a nice desk here, plenty of room for a computer and stuff. There are cabinets here with a safe, plenty of room, TV. This is a British-born line, so we have BritBox as one of our options on the TV. All kinds of stuff. And then there is closet here. Plenty of room. And in here is the bathroom. The only problem for me with the room is, as you can see, the shower is a little bit small. I'm on the bigger size, so barely enough room for me in there. But otherwise, plenty of storage there. Got some cabinets there, under the sink. Plenty of storage around. And that is my room.